How about a 3-in-1 iPad stand? Is it good or bad? Do we need it? Who really knows? Stay tuned to find out. Like always, I'm your host, Viola T, coming back with another video. And today, I always wanted a stand in which I could put 3 tablets or iPads in one contraption and multitask like a king. So I have a regular iPad 10-inch and then 2 minis. And I found this off Amazon. It's the iBOLT 3-in-1. You can purchase it for about $80 off Amazon. With taxes, about $85. It comes not assembled in about 12 or 15 different pieces. The actual grippers are about hard plastic. The actual pole is metal. You have a couple other accessories or pieces in which you put it together. They give you a couple of small bolts to strap it in, to screw and strap it in place. Like I said, it's from iBOLT, and it's something I haven't really seen any reviews about. So I'm like, hey, I want to buy this and find out and try it myself. So it's a little bit different and unique. So of course I want it. You basically just have to assemble it yourself. It's pretty easy. You're given a couple small hex screws. You basically just pop it into place, and then you go from there. You just tighten the bolts. You make sure it's nice and secure, and then the actual iPad holders themselves are kind of like hard plastic. You just line them up and then just snap them into place. There's different segments in which you can adjust it. So for different size iPads, it's anything from the mini to the regular size one to the 11-inch. So it will not actually hold the iPad Pro 12.9-inch. So if you got 3 of those lying around, send me one, but it won't actually hold that. The actual adapters in which it's connected to the pole, they're kind of like just screwed into place, but you can pull them off. They're 2 pieces in one. You can adjust the iPad itself up and down, and you have a 360 motion in which you can readjust the alignment for it. It does feel a little bit cheap. The 2 bottom ones are the same, but the top, it's connected to the top of it, so therefore you're kind of limited on your range of motion with it. But with the bottom 2, you get a complete 360 range of motion with that, so that's always good. And then the top of the pole itself can actually go up and down, so you actually have more height to for separation of the iPads themselves. So I mean, that's always nice and which I like. But for my video, you have a couple different magnitudes in which you can rearrange or readjust it all. So hey, it is what it is. With the iPads themselves are being assembled and then put together, all in all, it's not too bad of an experience. My only real complaint about this is the actual adapters that hold the iPads in place are a little bit cheap, and it's a little bit flimsy. You have the ability to readjust it for the different sizes for the iPads, but with this I can have multitasking with 3 different iPads. I know it's a little bit extreme, but no one really needs this. But I'm a YouTube wannabe influencer, part-timer, so screw it. So I have 4 iPads going at the same time, so I can watch different videos or do different things, so I can do a magnitude of different tasks and stuff. And they're all separate, so they're not connected, so I can do different things. I can literally watch 4 different YouTube videos at the same time. Like I said, you can rotate the iPads themselves 360 degrees or different orientations, so I mean that's always nice. But with the top one, it's a little bit limited, so the bottom 2 are good to go. There's a 5-in-1 I might pick up sometime in the near future, depending on how well this video does. So I might be picking up 5 iPads to try that out. But all in all, it's not a bad product. It's a little bit weird. I don't really see a need for this for anyone for $80. But for that, it's a weird device I actually kind of like. I'm going to keep it and then probably use it. So I'm your host, VLT, signing out.